Good afternoon to all of you. We are going to see various transmission media. The one of the important transmission media that we have discussed, that is optical fiber cable. So you can see there are various types of optical fiber cables are available here on this table. This orange color optical fiber cables you can see here. These are the outdoor optical fiber cables which are laid underground. You might have seen while passing on the road, this type of cable are generally laid on the optical underground. These cables are using for connecting two telephone exchanges or two telecom network over a long distance. Then you can see this is also optical fiber cable. This yellow color flexible optical fiber cable. These cables are used for indoor application for connecting equipments, various transmission equipment inside the room. So you can bend this cable very easily because it is a flexible optical fiber cable. Then you might have seen this Cat5, Cat6 cable. This cable you can see for connecting the computers for LAN connectivity. So these cables are used generally for connecting routers to your transmission systems, or router to router, or router to PC. Then this cable is also the indoor optical fiber cable. The only difference between this yellow and orange optical fiber indoor cable is this orange is called as a single mode optical fiber cable, and this one orange one is called as a that is multi-mode optical fiber cable. This yellow one is a single mode. This is the only difference. Then you can see this joint closer where we can keep this optical fiber cable very easily. These joint closers are generally placed inside the soil or underground. So you can join two optical fiber cables and place in this joint. These are called as your straight joint closer. Okay. So very basically we can see that these optical fiber cables are generally used for connecting long distance network. So this cable you can see is having the construction. Very important to know that this cable you cannot bend it very easily. This cable is very hard. It will protect our fibers. The fibers are inside this cable. The fibers are placed generally in this buffer tube. These are called as a buffer tubes. The fibers are inside these buffer tubes. These buffer tubes are arranged in circular manner, and over this buffer tube there is a plastic coating. You can see this thread and plastic coating. This is called as a primary binder. After this plastic coating there is a black sheet. You can see this in this cable. You can see very easily this black sheet is there after buffer tube or after plastic coating. This is called as an internal jacket, and this is very hard. You cannot cut this jacket very easily. And after that there is a orange sheet. You can see this orange sheet is again PVC sheet, which is very hard to protect your inner sheet. This middle part you can see here, the middle one of the optical fiber cable. I want to show from this cable. The middle one you can see there is a rod, white rod. You can see this. This rod is called as a central strain member, which is generally made from Kevlar material. So this rod, fiber rod, you can see here. This is used for keeping the cable very straight, because this cable is carrying the signal in terms of light. That is, the optical fibers are carrying the signal in terms of light. So this cable is generally having a very hard, you can say the hard cable is this one. You cannot bend it very easily because of this central strength member. These buffer tubes are generally of plastic type and having the fiber inside this. So these cables are generally laid underground and generally very deep in the ground, 1.65 meter inside the ground. Then this indoor cable, just we have seen, this cable is used for connecting two different equipment, and you can see there are different connectors types. this is a, you can see the Lucent connector, it is called as a Lucent connector of optical fiber cable. Then you can see this type of connector is called as a ferrule type of connector, FC connector, ferrule. So these are depend upon which equipment you are using, you have to select a connector accordingly. Okay. Then you can see another connectors. This is a, I want to show you the square connector also there. This is, you can see this is a square connector. This square connector is used to connect generally the equipments which are working on optical fiber. Generally customer side, this type of connectors we are using. Then we are having this orange type of indoor cable. This is a multi-mode cable. The difference between single mode and multi-mode is the single mode fiber is having pore diameter very small, as well as your multi-mode cable is having the pore diameter somewhat big. So generally this type of cables we are using for connecting different transmission equipment. The details we will be explained in the classroom. Okay, thank you.